Okay, we have this bunny stencil, and so one of the things I did was I traced it and cut it out, and this way when you take your floral pattern, now this is just wrapping paper, you can put it down and trace it, and then you'll be able to see what the print's going to look like on the other side. Okay, now you can spray this and put it on a thick cardstock. Another way you can do it is use what I'm going to do right now. Just take paper that's got a sticky back. Now here's another way that, and then just press it down on there. And you can press your wrinkles out this way. This one's a little wrinkled. And then once you have it pressed down real well, you can cut it out again. Okay, here's a little flower I made. So with just tissue paper, and I had some pen and just put some water on it, and then just put it down in the water to let it dry. And then I cut out these little petals. And then what I did was I took a sticky note, and I just took the sticky part and just cut out a square, and then I placed the petals on the sticky note. So just press it down like that. And so I can put that if I want to. I'm going to make this bunny card for Easter. You can use it for any time if you want to. So I just take floral paper, and this is wrapping paper, and you can use any kind of paper that you want, or you can use materials, you can use wallpaper, whatever you want.